Most important to know, hospice is a service, not a place. There are 4 levels of care that we can provide under hospice. 2 are provided in the home and 2 are in a facility.
Routine level of care is your most common level of care that you see majority of our hospice patients on.
It is a program that we run when patients are hospice appropriate but relatively stable. Under this level of care, the team comes to your home, wherever that may be, whether it's a private home, whether it's a group home, assisted living facility, skilled nursing. We have a lot of flexibility where we go. Again, we go wherever you are.
Continuous care is 24/7 care. That's a nurse available to assist the family with any needs that may arise with the patient at any time.
Continuous care is a level of care I'm very proud to provide to our patients. Continuous care is when a patient is experiencing exacerbated pain, respiratory distress, some sort of symptom that I can prove to Medicare I need a nurse bedside to help this patient. We are medicating, we are assessing, we are getting that patient comfortable. General inpatient is important when we've got a patient who's experiencing pain, respiratory distress, some symptoms that we need a nurse in a facility to help us manage to get that patient comfortable. We contract with over 40 facilities valley-wide in Phoenix so that we can make sure that your loved one is closest to you.
Respite care is a level of care in hospice. We move the patient from the home into a facility to give the loved ones a break. This is just so important because a lot of times our families just need relief. They need a break. They're overwhelmed. They're at their breaking point. So we come in and we can provide them with a 5-day respite care stay at a skilled nursing facility of their choice. We give them a list of places we contract with and they can pick one they feel most comfortable with, and I coordinate transportation to and from the facility, and then we'll continue services for those 5 days.
On paper, we all do the same things. All hospice have the same rules and regulations. What makes us different? The intimacy of care, the frequency of the visits. We don't subscribe to the Medicare minimums. We want to do better every day. We provide more visits, we spend longer time with our patients, and we provide all disciplines at all time, day or night.